If you want to unlock the true potential of your music, whether you're streaming from your phone, gaming on your PC, or spinning high-res files, then a great DAC is non-negotiable. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best digital-to-analog converters of 2025, ranging from affordable $150 gems to high-end $1,000 beasts that redefine clarity, depth, and detail. We'll break down the sound quality, features, connectivity, and value of each DAC and reveal which one gives you the biggest bang for your buck in 2025. Stick around till the end, because DAC number 1 might just surprise you. Let's dive in. Topping our list is the Zen DAC V2, a compact desktop DAC that punches well above its price point. At just $179, this unit brings high-resolution audio performance to your desktop or headphone setup without breaking the bank. The Zen DAC V2 features a USB 3.0 Type-E input, supporting PCM audio up to 32-bit/384 kHz, DSD256, and full MQA decoding, making it a fantastic option for Tidal Masters users and audiophiles who stream high-res content. Its powerful Burr-Brown chipset ensures clean, natural, and musical playback that reveals details you might have been missing. This DAC includes a 6.3mm unbalanced output and a 4.4mm balanced Pentacon output, along with RCA lineouts, giving you plenty of options for connecting to amps, powered speakers, or headphones. The built-in power match and true bass features allow you to fine-tune the output based on your headphones and personal preference. With its stylish aluminum housing and audiophile-grade internals, the Zen DAC V2 is ideal for anyone upgrading their PC, Mac, or streamer-based setup. At under $200, the Zen DAC V2 is the ultimate entry point into high-fidelity listening. For beginners or seasoned audio lovers, this is the best budget DAC of 2025, period. Number 4. Schiit Modi Ultra Compact Desktop DAC. At just $129, the Schiit Modi is one of the best bang-for-your-buck DACs available in 2025. It delivers pure, clean digital-to-analog conversion with no gimmicks, just great audio performance in a rock-solid, American-built package. The Modi is the latest evolution in Schiit's ultra-affordable DAC lineup. It supports 24-bit/192 kHz PCM audio over USB-C, Toslink optical, and coaxial SPDIF inputs, making it highly versatile for use with computers, streamers, TVs, and CD players. It outputs through standard RCA analog connections, so you can easily pair it with an amplifier or powered speakers. Schiit's engineering focuses on sound quality over flashy features. Inside, you'll find premium components and a clean, no-nonsense signal path that emphasizes neutrality, detail, and dynamic range. The result is a smooth, uncolored sound that brings out the natural character of your music. Its compact, durable aluminum chassis takes up minimal desk space and looks great stacked with other Schiit gear, like the Magni headphone amp. The Schiit Modi proves that audiophile sound doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. If you're after a no-frills DAC that nails the fundamentals at a wallet-friendly price, the Modi should be high on your shortlist. Number 3. Topping E70 Velvet High-Performance Desktop DAC. At $349, the Topping E70 Velvet is a high-end DAC that offers flagship-level performance at a mid-tier price. Built around the premium AKM AK4499EX DAC chip, this unit is designed for audiophiles who demand exceptional sound quality, flexibility, and future-ready features. The E70 Velvet supports ultra-high-resolution formats including PCM up to 768 kHz, DSD512, and full MQA rendering via USB. It also includes optical and coaxial digital inputs, and Bluetooth 5.1 with LDAC, AC, and aptX HD support, making it perfect for both wired and wireless hi-fi setups. Thanks to its ultra-low THD, the E70 Velvet delivers a sound that's incredibly clean, detailed, and transparent. Whether you're using it with a headphone amp, integrated amp, or studio monitors, you'll enjoy precise dynamics and a dead-silent background. The DAC also features switchable output levels and XLR-balanced RCA outputs, giving you full control and compatibility with a wide range of gear. Its sleek black aluminum build and crystal clear display complete the premium feel. Topping's E70 Velvet brings high-end specs and sound to your desktop at an unbeatable price. If you're serious about sound but don't want to spend over $1,000, this DAC is a top-tier pick. Number 2. ADI2 DAC FS Ultra-Fidelity DAC Headphone Amplifier. For those who demand studio-grade precision and audiophile refinement, the ADI2 DAC FS is a powerhouse. Priced at $999, this high-end 2-channel digital-to-analog converter and headphone amplifier delivers ultra-clean audio with unparalleled flexibility and control. At its core, the ADI2 DAC FS features RME's proprietary SteadyClock FS technology, which minimizes jitter and improves timing accuracy, essential for reference-level playback. It supports PCM up to 768 kHz, DSD-256, and includes USB, optical, and coaxial digital inputs for seamless integration with any setup. One of the standout features is its exceptional headphone amp, capable of driving high-impedance headphones with authority, while maintaining pristine clarity and dynamic range. You also get balanced and unbalanced line outputs, onboard parametric EQ, crossfeed, and an intuitive OLED display for real-time monitoring and adjustments. Whether you're a mastering engineer or a critical listener at home, the ADI2 DAC FS gives you tools to tailor your listening experience with surgical precision. The ADI2 DAC FS is the gold standard for detail, transparency, and total control. If you're ready to invest in a reference-grade DAC that doubles as a premium headphone amp, this is as good as it gets under $1,000. Number 1. Chord Hugo 2 is a transportable high-end DAC and headphone amplifier designed for audiophiles who demand exceptional sound quality on the go. Priced at approximately $4,600, this flagship device offers a perfect blend of portability and uncompromising audio performance. Equipped with a proprietary FPGA DAC architecture, the Hugo 2 handles PCM files up to 768 kHz and DSD-512, delivering incredibly detailed, dynamic, and transparent sound. Its built-in headphone amplifier drives even the most demanding headphones with ease, providing a powerful yet smooth listening experience. The Hugo 2 features multiple inputs, including USB, coaxial, and optical, plus balanced outputs for flexible connectivity. Its compact, robust design is crafted for travel, making it an excellent choice for audiophiles who want high-resolution sound anywhere. The Chord Hugo 2 redefines portable audio with precision and musicality rarely found in such a small package. If you're seeking a premium DAC that excels in both portability and performance, the Hugo 2 stands in a class of its own. Thanks for watching our top 5 best DACs of 2025. If you enjoyed this guide, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your favorite DAC or questions in the comments below. See you next time for more audio gear reviews.